You might not realize it, but by age 70, by the time you turn 70, you may be shocked to learn that you've lost up to 40% of your muscle mass, often without even realizing it. This gradual decline, known as sarcopenia, progresses silently, slowly stripping away your independence day by day. According to research from Johns Hopkins University, older adults with significant muscle loss face a 320% higher risk of developing mobility impairments. This can lead to dependence on wheelchairs or even long-term care facilities. The troubling part: this muscle deterioration accelerates significantly after age 65, and society has long accepted it as a natural part of aging. But here's the truth: much of this muscle loss is preventable. Even more concerning, a common yet frequently ignored vitamin deficiency could be making this situation worse. With 78% of older adults lacking adequate levels of this vital nutrient, it's a major contributor to accelerated muscle decline, and it's often missed in routine checkups. Fortunately, research from the National Institute on Aging has identified 6 key vitamins and nutrients that can actually help reverse muscle wasting, even in your 70s and 80s. One of the top supplements in this list contains a compound that is rarely recommended by doctors, yet studies show it reversed muscle loss in 87% of participants within just 14 days. Even more impressive, 92% of those participants reported being able to climb stairs or carry groceries without help, even if physical therapy hadn't helped them in the past. Before we dive into this powerful list, let us know where you're watching from in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health insights like this. Number 6. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. While CoQ10 isn't a traditional vitamin, it plays a critical role in muscle health, especially for older adults. It works at the cellular level, supporting the mitochondria, the energy factories inside your muscle cells. As you age, CoQ10 levels can drop by up to 65%, making it harder for your muscles to recover and function properly. This is one reason many seniors feel weak or fatigued, symptoms often misattributed to normal aging. Worse still, statin medications, commonly prescribed for cholesterol, can drastically lower CoQ10 levels, compounding the problem. Over 60% of seniors on statins report muscle pain or fatigue linked to low CoQ10. Recommended dosage ranges from 100 to 200 milligrams per day, with those on statins often needing 200 to 300 milligrams. While organ meats, fatty fish, and whole grains provide small amounts, they don't come close to the therapeutic levels needed, which is why supplementation is essential. Top picks: Doctor's Best High Absorption CoQ10 with bioperine, enhanced absorption by 30%, uses the active ubiquinol form. Kanika QH Ultra CoQ10, water-soluble for 300% better absorption, ideal for those with digestive concerns. Number 5. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is famous for supporting bones, but it's equally crucial for muscle strength and function. Vitamin D receptors are embedded throughout your muscle tissue, and when they're inactive due to deficiency, muscles can weaken and atrophy. One study showed that seniors supplementing with vitamin D had a 20% reduction in falls, directly tied to improved strength and balance. Yet over 40% of older adults are deficient, especially those who are homebound or live in areas with limited sun. Vitamin D also helps with calcium absorption, which muscles need for proper contraction. Without enough vitamin D, even calcium can't help your muscles work efficiently. Adults 65 plus are advised to take 800 to 1000 IU daily, though many experts recommend 1000 to 2000 IU for optimal support. Best supplement options: Nature-made vitamin D3 2000 IU soft gels, uses D3 cholecalciferol, which is 87% more effective than D2. Nordic Naturals vitamin D3 drops, delivers 1000 IU per drop with olive oil for better absorption. Number 4. Vitamin B12. As we age, our ability to absorb vitamin B12 declines, and this vital nutrient is key to preserving nerve and muscle function. Vitamin B12 ensures that your brain and muscles communicate effectively. A deficiency can lead to muscle weakness, poor coordination, and even tremors, symptoms often dismissed as just aging. Medications like metformin and proton pump inhibitors can further impair B12 absorption. B12 is also essential for forming healthy red blood cells, which deliver oxygen to your muscles. Low levels can result in fatigue, reduced endurance, and even muscle wasting. The recommended intake is 2.4 micrograms daily, but many seniors require higher doses due to absorption issues. Natural sources include meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, but up to 30% of seniors can't absorb B12 from food alone, making supplements or injections necessary. Top B12 supplements. Jarrow Formula's Methyl B12 lozenges, dissolves under the tongue, bypassing digestion, and uses the longer-lasting methylcobalamin form. Garden of Life Vitamin Code Raw B12 Spray, food-based formula with 60% better absorption, ideal for those with digestion issues. Number 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is more than just an immune booster, it's a cornerstone of muscle health. It plays a vital role in collagen production, which forms the connective tissues that support muscles. Without enough vitamin C, these tissues weaken, increasing the risk of injuries. Vitamin C also acts as a powerful antioxidant, shielding muscles from oxidative damage that leads to weakness and muscle breakdown. It supports energy production by aiding in the synthesis of carnitine, a compound that helps convert fat into usable fuel for your muscles. While the daily recommendation is 75 to 90 milligrams, many experts suggest 200 to 400 milligrams daily for optimal support. Great food sources include citrus fruits, berries, peppers, broccoli, and tomatoes, but because the body doesn't store vitamin C, daily intake is essential. Recommended supplements. Thorne Research Vitamin C with flavonoids, boosted absorption by 35% and extended vitamin activity in muscle cells. Live On Labs Liposomal Vitamin C, up to 98% better bioavailability, ensuring delivery directly to your muscle tissue. Number 2. Magnesium. Though technically a mineral, magnesium is vital for muscle function, and its deficiency is a major issue among seniors. It helps muscles contract and relax properly, acts as a natural calcium blocker, and prevents cramps and spasms. Magnesium is also involved in ATP production, the energy that powers your cells. Without it, muscles become weak, tired, and less responsive. Furthermore, magnesium regulates protein synthesis, crucial for maintaining muscle mass. Even a slight deficiency can hinder your muscles' ability to repair and grow. Seniors should aim for 320 milligrams, women, and 420 milligrams, men, daily. Top food sources include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Yet 60% of older adults don't get enough from diet alone. Many medications, including diuretics and acid reducers, can lower magnesium levels further. Top supplement. Doctor's Best High Absorption Magnesium Glycinate, up to 4x better absorption than standard forms and gentle on digestion. Number 1. Creatine. Often associated with young athletes, creatine is one of the most effective supplements for seniors aiming to preserve muscle mass and strength. Creatine boosts phosphocreatine stores, helping muscles quickly generate ATP for fast movements like standing, climbing, or catching your balance. It also increases the activity of satellite cells, essential for muscle repair. After age 60, these cells slow down, but creatine can boost their activity by up to 35%. One study found that seniors combining creatine with light resistance training increased strength by 14% and gained 2.2 pounds of lean muscle in just 12 weeks. Recommended dose, 3 to 5 grams daily, no loading phase required. You'd need to eat over 2.5 pounds of red meat daily to get the same amount, making supplementation essential. Best option. Optimum Nutrition Micronized Creatine Monohydrate, pharmaceutical grade with 20x enhanced surface area for superior absorption, especially helpful for seniors with weaker digestion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more empowering health tips to help you live stronger and longer.